Welcome to the day 2 of Code Pro project. So our second topic was how to create a form using HTML and CSS both. Your form should be look creative like this, not like this. So move to the screen by which you get to know what's the function of your form and how it's look like. So you can see first name, last name, password, repassword, email ID, then your mobile number. Then you can select date and location, gender male and female. At the last, submit and reset button. So we are writing first name as Jadubaba, last name as Tech. Password we are writing 1234, repassword we are leaving, and email ID we are writing, and mobile number, and selecting a date, and then selecting a location India, gender male, then submit. But see, repassword we have to write 1234 and again submit. Source code will available on our website, link in bio. So you can see that our main code started from h1 tag. In h1 tag we use center tag to align our text at the center. After that we use form as we creating a form, and we use align attribute as left, so our whole content will be moved to left side. After that we use p tag for paragraph, so that first name written as paragraph. Then we use input tag as attribute type equals to value as text. After that we use 2br, so break line, and after that we close p tag. The whole code is same as for last name also. The thing is changed was last name written at the place of first name. After that we again open a p tag and write password. Then we use input tag and we give the id as pass1 and type equals to password. We write required, so it will be compulsory to write password. As same we use as repassword, as we change as id as pass2, as all code is same. After that we use p tag again and write email, and after we use input tag attribute type and value as email, and again we use required, so it is compulsory to write required email id, and then we use br tag two times for breaking line, and at last we close p tag. Then again we open p tag for phone number and open input tag and give the value as text and name as phone, and placeholder at we write whatever we have to write as number, and after that we close and write br two times again for break line and close paragraph. Again we open p tag as a paragraph as we have to write date, and again open input tag and type as date and close it and write br two times. At last we close p tag also. Now we have to create a location as we have to select countries. So I again open a p tag and write location and use select tag for selecting a things. Then we use for creating option tag as we write option tag and then write India and close option tag. You can create as many options you can create. Then after we creating options, I close select tag, then use two times br for break line and close p tag, and again open p tag as I create the gender option as male and female. Then I open input tag, attribute type and value as radio. You can give as gender and value as male as we have to give as male. Then we close input tag and write male. Then we use same code as for female part also. Thing changes value equals to female, and at the last we have to write female, and again we use br for break line and close p tag and start center tag. For center the button we are creating as submit and reset. So we create input tag, type as submit and value as submit. Again the same thing, the thing is type is reset and value is reset. We use two times br, then we close center tag and body and html. Then let's move to css. We write body as we are editing in body part, then we write curly bracket, then we use padding equals to 10% as giving the gap from sides 10%. Then we use background image and we give the url of that image. Then we use background repeat and value as repeat, the use of property to repeat how the background will be repeat. Then we use background position as value cover. This is for position, the value we give as cover. Then we use border style as dash and dotted both. When you will see the output, you get to know why I give the dash and dotted both. Half the line was dashed and half the line was dotted. Then I use border radius equals to 10 pixels. It curves the border corners and we close it by curly bracket and write as h1. Again write curly brackets and write color equals to red. That's mean color of a text will be red and border style is dashed. So style of the border will be dashed. Then we use border radius as again 10 pixels as border will be curved from corners, and let's see the output how it's look like. Subscribe Jadubaba Tech channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch Jadubaba Tech's videos.